Whole wheat fettuccine with mushroom and asparagus. Prepare the ingredients. Bring a pot of water to the boil, add the whole wheat pasta. Finely dice 2 garlic cloves. Finely dice half an onion. Trim the base off the asparagus. Slice the asparagus on a diagonal. Cut 1 large mushroom in half and slice. Heat a frying pan on a high heat. Add the onion and garlic. Sauté until soft. Add the sliced mushrooms. Sauté until soft. Add a dash of stock to deglaze the pan. When the mushrooms are soft, add the stock. Add 1 cup of soy milk and bring to the boil. Add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch mixed in some water and stir until thick. Add the asparagus. Add half a cup of nutritional yeast. Add salt and pepper to taste. Stir well. Add the cooked pasta and fold through the sauce. Top with chopped parsley and serve.